Good morning, kids. Today we will learn about naming words. Noun. Kids, do you know what are these naming words or noun? Do you know? Okay, let's learn. First of all, tell me, where do you go to study? आप पढ़ने के लिए कहाँ जाते हो? Tell me. School. Okay. आप पढ़ने के लिए कहाँ जाते हो? स्कूल में. Okay. From which body part do we see? हम शरीर के किस अंग से देखते हैं? Tell me. Eyes. By our eyes we see. Okay. How do you call or recognize your friends? आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को किस तरह बुलाते हो या उन्हें पहचानते हो? By their names or face. आप उन्हें उनके नाम या चेहरे से पहचानते या बुलाते हो. Okay. So now dear kids, school, eyes and face. These are the words which help us to identify or recognize any person or anything. ये जो नाम हैं हमें चीज़ों को पहचानने और उनको बुलाने में हमारी मदद करते हैं. ओके. So kids, these words are the names which refers to the things. So dear kids, in the world all things have some name. संसार में सभी चीज़ों का कोई नाम है. These names help us to identify things. ये नाम हमें चीज़ों को पहचानने में मदद करते हैं. Okay? Now look at these pictures and tell the name. Identify and we have to tell the name of given pictures. इनको पहचान कर इनका नाम बताना है. Okay. In first picture there is a parrot. In second picture a bottle. And third one is bus. And fourth is a building that is also called flat. Again in right side children, a girl, she is cooking, so she is a cook. यह गर्ल भी है और कुक भी है. Next is cape, books and road. These all words are the names of given pictures and all these names are called naming words. So kids, all names are called naming words. सभी नाम नाम वाले शब्द कहलाते हैं. There are different types of naming words around us. For example, name of persons, व्यक्तियों के नाम. Brother and sister, children, menial, policeman and dancer, etc. Name of things, वस्तुओं के नाम. Children, we see different types of things around us. हम अपने चारों तरफ कई तरह की चीज़ें देखते हैं. Like tree, apple, bed, table, pencil, grass, flower, toys, etc. There are different types animals also around us. For example, lion, fox, kangaroo, dog, and many more. Name of birds. For example, cock, parrot, pigeon, duck, etc. We see different types places also, like school, garden, petrol pump, airport, house, etc. So dear kids, all names or naming words are called noun. सभी नाम और नाम वाले शब्द संज्ञा कहलाते हैं. Definition of noun. संज्ञा की परिभाषा. A noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, thing or idea. एक संज्ञा वह शब्द है जो किसी व्यक्ति, जानवर, जगह, वस्तु या विचार का नाम बताए. Examples of noun. संज्ञा के उदाहरण. Persons, व्यक्ति, टीचर, फादर, चाइल्ड, रानी and man. Animals, elephant, cat, fish, cow, ant. Some places like house, India, office, station, street, etc. Things, table, tree, petrol, nitrogen, month, fruit, Ganga river, sun, car, notch, hill, etc. Some examples of ideas like confusion, kindness, faith, happiness and joy. All these above words are the examples of noun. Dear kids, we have learned about naming words. हमने नाम वाले शब्दों के बारे में सीख लिया है. So now it's time for some exercise. अब हम कुछ एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Question 1. Match the following objects with their names. नीचे दी गई चीज़ों को उनके नाम के साथ मैच करना है. कॉलम ए को कॉलम बी से मैच करना है. ओके, लेट्स डू. In column A, first is papaya. So we have to match this fruit from the name papaya. Okay. In second picture there is a girl. So we have to match this picture from the girl. And third is cycle. And fourth one is an ice cream. Okay. This is done. Now come to next question. नेम द फॉलोइंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स. नीचे दी गई चीज़ों का नाम बताओ. द नेम ऑफ फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज शू. फर्स्ट पिक्चर में जूते हैं. सो द नेम ऑफ फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज शू. सेकेंड वन इज नोज. इन थर्ड पिक्चर टीचर. एंड द नेम ऑफ लास्ट पिक्चर इज फैन. Question number 3. Identify and circle the nouns in the following sentences. नीचे दिए गए वाक्यों में से संज्ञा शब्दों को पहचान कर गोला करें. सेंटेंस ए. रेनू गोज टू स्कूल बाई बस. रेनू बस के द्वारा स्कूल जाती है. इन दिस सेंटेंस रेनू इज अ नेम ऑफ पर्सन and bus is a object, thing. So these words Renu and bus are nouns. Sentence B. Birds fly in the sky. पक्षी आकाश में उड़ते हैं. In this sentence birds and sky are naming words. So these are nouns. Sentence C. द लायन इज द किंग ऑफ द जंगल. शेर जंगल का राजा है. इन दिस सेंटेंस, lion is a name of animal and king also a name of person. This is used for lion here, and jungle is a name of place. So lion, king and jungle, these words are noun. Sentence D. Happiness is good for you. खुशी आपके लिए अच्छी है. Here the word happiness is emotion. So this is a naming word. So happiness is also a noun. Okay. Now again come to next question. Question number 4. Circle the naming words. संज्ञा शब्दों को गोला करें. Here are different types of words. We have to choose out the correct naming word, noun, and then we have to circle it. Okay, let's do. Boy is a naming word. This is a name of person, so we circle it. Drink, listen, sing, speak, go, these are doing words. Jaipur, this is also a naming word, so circle this also. Cry, lion, lion is also naming word. Smell, write, walk, come, these all are doing words. Mango, mango is also naming word, so we circle it. So dear kids, boy, Jaipur, lion and mango, these all words are naming words, noun. Okay. Now again come to next question. Question number 5. Choose the appropriate noun from the box and fill in the blanks. नीचे येलो जो बॉक्स है उसमें से सही संज्ञा शब्द चुनकर नीचे दिए गए खाली जगह को भरना है. ओके, लेट्स डू. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग इन द ब्लैंक्स. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. चूज द अप्रोप्रिएट नाउन फ्रॉम द येलो बॉक्स. गर्ल, प्लेग्राउंड और चेयर. विच वर्ड विल कम हियर? टेल मी. Playground. Yes, children are playing in the playground. Okay. Now next sentence. A blank is sitting on the blank. Choose the appropriate noun or word from the yellow box. A girl. Okay, girl will come in first blank and chair will come to next blank. Okay. Now this sentence will look like a girl is sitting on the chair. Now it's done. Now we look summary of this topic. All names are called naming words. All names or naming words are called noun. Definition of noun. A noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, things or idea. Examples: child, butterfly, cow, book, Bikaner, freedom, etc. Dear kids, I wish you all will learn a lot from this video. Keep smiling and learning. Thank you.